In my last video, I taught the basic poses Uttita Asta Padangustasana 1 and 3 for hamstring stiffness. In this video, I am going to teach you Uttanasana, Parsvottanasana and Prasarita Padottanasana. I provided the meaning of Sanskrit name also in this video to help you to remember easily on the poses. You have to really know if you do asanas like triangle pose. Triangle pose is like Uttita Trikonasana. So that's why whatever the poses you do, you have to know what is the English name, what is Sanskrit name to easily remember to your asana poses.
Uttanasana. Ut means intense. Tan means stretch or lengthen out. Asana means pose. Standing forward bend pose.
Stand like this, legs widen it, hip width distance, toes in both heels up, arms straight. From here, raise the hands up, bend the legs, extend and bend forward. In the cup shape, no leaning forward, weight to the legs. Spine extension, cup shape, go lower. Press the palms, legs really bending, you can see really good extension. From there, straighten the legs, bend the legs. 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 Look forward, form facing each other. Inhale, come on, exhale, back to Tadasana.
Parsvottanasana. Parsva means side. Uttana is the intense stretch. Asana is the pose. Some people call it pyramid pose or intense side stretch pose.
Here you stand the legs together, hands on the hip, hands on the hips, shoulders lifted up, your left leg toes out, your right leg forward. Make sure leg has to be straight in it, back leg straight to level the hips. Not arch like this, has to be rolled down, buttocks down, leg straight. Front leg straight, back leg straight. From there, raise the arm up. Exhalation, you're bending forward. When you're bending forward, you can make it more height. Why? You can able to balance the palms on the down. So hold it, level the hips, legs really straight, you go down. Not like this, has to be lifted up, level the hips, you breathe. This is the first step. Inhalation and the exhalation. From there, you can be able to go second steps further lower. But further lower cannot bend the legs. It has to be straight. You level the hips. Spine extension, bring the head down. Inhalation and the exhalation. Breathe. Okay. After that, look forward. Hands on the top. Inhale, come on. Hands on the hips. Bend the legs. You walk forward easily. Again, I show you other legs how to do it. Hands on the hips. Your left leg forward. When your left leg forward, you can able to lift the backside of the heels up, level the hips. Then both legs straight, hands on the hips, cannot like this. Has to be in, hold the buttocks down, hands up. Raise the hands up, level the hips, extend and bend forward. When you bend forward, palms on the ground. So when you make it more higher, it can easy for you able to extension your spine as well as you feel good hamstring stretch from here as well as here. From there, first steps you maintain it like this without cave like this. Okay. From there, go lower. When you go lower, spine definitely coming like this, right? So these cases you cannot go lower. You maintain it. First step like this, spine extension like this. Okay. If you can able to extension your spine as well as your legs, you go second steps, but avoiding or rounding the spine, opening the leg straight as well as loop forward, spine extension, leg straight. Breathe. From there, hands on the top. Inhale, come up. Hands on the hips. Bend the frontal leg. Back forward. Like Uttanasana.
Prasarita Padottanasana. Prasarita means expanded or spreaded. Pada means foot. Uttanasana means intense stretches, poses. So wide-legged forward bend poses.
You have to be stand 4 feet apart, like this much distance. Okay, you want to stand like this, but leg has to be toes inward, heels out, hands on the hips. Roll the shoulders back and down. Roll the buttocks down. Cannot go like this. Cannot forward. The weight, the pressure not go to the knees. You have to divide your body weight to the yoke. Hands on the hips. Inhalation, look up. Exhalation, bend forward. When you bend forward, your legs really straight. Do not bend the legs. Leg has to be straightened. Kneecap lifted up. Thighs push back. You're sitting bone pushing away each other. Elbow close to each other. When you're bending forward, not like this, shoulders really lifted up. Bend forward, go down. From there, for those cannot able to reach the floor, you can use your hands on the table. This is the basic way. Cannot like overarch, has to be like this. But legs really straighten it, you go further like this. Leg has to be really straightened. This is Prasarita Padottanasana basic steps. The legs really straighten it. The legs really straight, go lower. Some more. Your head also you can able to rest it on the table. This is the basic. If you reach this level, you can able to go some more lower. How to go lower? Your hands on the floor. Like this. Lift it up, roll the shoulder out, spine extension, look forward. Breathe. And there still you can able to go further deeper. Bend the elbows, your hands hold the outer side of the ankle. From the shoulders lifted up, legs really straight. Then exhalation, go down like this. But legs really straight, you can see really good extension, good stretch in your hamstring. You can go lower some, but legs really straight. Go lower. Breathe. And then look forward. Hands on the table. Press the palms. Extended. Inhale. Come up. Hands on the hips. Bring the legs together.
Thank you for watching my video. Hope those poses help you to relieve your hamstring stiffness. Remember, you don't need to go too far final poses. Why? If you realize your spine is rounded, your breath is getting very short, stay in the level. Level means like a basic level, how much you possible able to do it, that much level. This is suitable for you to focusing first in your spinal and the extension. Once you feel stable, very comfortable, you can go for further, is deeper to your improvement in your body. In my next video, I will be answer the questions which asked by many beginner. For example, which yoga is the best for you? How you know whether you are learning the poses in a correct way or wrong way? So I will be answer this question. Stay tuned to my next video. Thank you.